After death, inside the graveyard, under the land, my body will be fully exposed. My hands and feet, my brain and stomach, every parts of my body shall be exposed. Angels will ask me some questions. Tell your God name. Tell about your religion. Did you know Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Did you believe the book Al Quran?